Okay, hi, my name is Desiree, and this is my project 4 for AVF. And what is happening right now is that I'm trying to get a mashup for my weather data API. I really wanted to work with my photos. I saw a mashup for a weather API, and they included like a map and different photos in different locations. Basically, what I'm trying to accomplish with my app is just getting the demo done, but I wanted it. It's called well, I had like a splash page, but it's not gonna work in my Android. I can't get it to work in my Android. I have it working in my iOS, so I can kind of show you what's going on over there. Basically, I would like for this to turn into just a regular app for, you know, the user to go to find different locations in like their local cities. I mean their city. Oh. So I included the weather API so that, they can find out what the forecast is in whichever city they're in. But the one that I have right now is just showing San Antonio. So later on I could probably switch that around. Then I have the Twitter, of course, working. So I'm going to turn my computer to my iPad because the internet's working right there. And I just want to show that the APIs work, because if not, then it's really going to mess up if I move it. So, and I don't want to move it. So let me put my passcode in first. And the reason why I have a passcode is because I misplaced my iPad once and I had to put a lock on it. Get this loading. Okay, so I'm gonna try to. I don't know if you can see it. Anyway, it's gonna pull up like this splash page. Ugh. You can't really see it. See? And then it's gonna show the weather. That's showing the weather in San Antonio. And then I'm gonna show you Twitter, and then I can kind of turn around because this is weird. But it does have the internet, so I want to show that it works at least. Maybe let me turn this down a little bit. It's taking a little while to load. So the internet, like I said, it's not that great. Let it load. Okay. You know what? That's gonna take a while. So what I'm gonna do is I'll show you how that works in the Android emulator, because then you'll be able to see how that works. Here's my Twitter. And this is how it's going to look here. It's the same thing, except right now the internet's not really good, so they're showing the forecast again. It's just so weird. And there's my Twitter updates. And then also I'll show you that the alert is working on both platforms, location. I could have done a little bit better with the CSS, I understand, but I was working on really short time constraint and I wanted to get the functionality working. So you can just enter a location. It's just showing like different types of alerts. And I have a regular alert, which is just on click alert. Vibrate's not necessarily going to work in here, and neither is beep, but I'll show you on the iPad where I have my alerts on here. Can't see. Oh well. My alert, and then of course I could have done better with this too, but I'll show you the functionality here. So it's working. Input. Close that out. Click. It's also working. So this is an alert. Video is going to be long, sorry. Vibrate is not going to work right now. And then beep. The beep works. And then I'll show you that the images works. So I have my images that works here. And we'll go to that as well over here. So just in case it's a little blurry, you can kind of see what I'm doing too. So images. So you kind of want to load. Take a photo. It's gonna try to take a photo. Into the photo here as well. I hit that, and then it brings up, you know, you can kind of see me. Oh, sort of. Okay. And then you can exit. If I would have taken a picture of myself, I could have edited it, edit that photo, and then it'll also go into the gallery. You can get out of there. And from album, there. And then you can see here, over here, it's working. Let me get out of here. No. Okay, take a picture. Come on, Android. Okay, from gallery, it would access. Let's try again. Camera cancelable. So it sends the alerts. That's good. That's working. Okay, well, all these work. You can go check out that. The other things that I want to show is you click on the little woman here. That's me. I was going to put a little car that said developer. I didn't have time to do that. It just shows the developer info as well as here. I clicked on the woman, the little me. I couldn't get my videos to show up on the Android. I tried working with that, taking off the type attributes, changing things around, and it wasn't working, but I'll show you how it looks anyway. And then over here, you can see all my videos are showing up, and they do play.
Those are, and this is my week 1.
See, that functionality is working. And then, of course, my questions. Week 1. See, that alert keeps coming up for the the weather API. And, of course, my questions over here, they also work in the Android. So, week 1. So, I just want to show the two that we're supposed to have done. We have the data APIs. Well, for starters, we have the developer information. Then we have the two data APIs. I am going to work on trying to get the photos, that functionality to work the mashup. And then, of course, you have to have two natives working. So I have the alert working. I have the accelerator working in both. I have the images working and the network. And geolocation works on the iOS. Well, that works on both too. So pretty much all the ones I have, I do have contact in there, but I really didn't go and do anything with contact. I should take that out. I shouldn't leave it in there like that. But I didn't mess with that too much. But that's what I have going on for week 4. I'm still working on it, but I did want to upload a video because I am still working, and I know I have some other things I have to do right now, and probably not gonna have time to do it later. So check in with me later. Look at my code at GitHub. It's probably going to be updated, and I hope everyone did well. This was a fun project. I wish I would have had more time to do exactly what I wanted to do with my project, but the Android did push me back a little bit. So thank you, instructor. I know she's been so busy, but she did get with me, and she did help me out with that.